Welcome to Auctionsoft.com. This is a very short video on how to get around the auctions page when you're listing and managing your events. Auctionsoft is cloud-based software for managing live auction events. And this is, again, a quick tutorial. We're starting here on the home page, which is where you'll end up once you log in. After that, just below that is the auctions button. So we are going to click that, and first of all, let me get rid of this so I can show you where it would be from the beginning of getting to this page. There are three panels. The auctions top panel is basically just here so that you can highlight and click on add new auction, and when you click on that you can enter the details of a new sale, the date, the title, the location, the type of the sale, so on and so forth, add pictures. But this particular screen is about sorting and managing in two panels, upcoming events, and the lower panel is past events. And we do that just so that it's very easy to see what you want to work with. And in this particular case, we have 5 different sales that are listed in our upcoming events. Now, the system will automatically display anything that's scheduled for today or any time in the future. And today is actually January the 15th, so it is listed at the top of our list for upcoming sales. Now, and it also tells us that we have 5 upcoming events in our system. If you go down here to the bottom panel, it is past events, and the system will save and manage for you an unlimited amount of events, whether it's dozens or hundreds, however many you need. However, it'll only show you and display on this bottom panel how many you would like to see here, and so we've chose 10. At the bottom, though, you can see that it tells you you're looking at 10 entries of actually 14 sample events that I have in the system. Now, when you choose to only have 10 listed, you get to over here where what's called pagination, and it tells you basically that there are actually 2 pages. The first page has the 10 events, the second page has just 4 events. However, one of my favorite features of our system is all over the place there is a search box at the top of different panels that you're managing, and you can search any word that might end up in any of these columns to quickly narrow down the information that you want to sort. Now, I happen to know that there is another auction on page 2 called Antiques of Yesteryear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to page 1. I'm going to type in just yesteryear, and quickly it narrows, and it'll narrow between thousands of results, anything with the word yesteryear in any of the record. So you can quickly find what you want, click the button then to manage that particular event. So I'm going to clear that out just so I get all my results showing again. And again, this is a very quick tutorial, but basically what I'm going to do next is just pick a, I'm going to narrow this just for an example purposes, but I'm going to type in the word report, and after just a few letters getting entered, it narrows to the record of the event that we're looking for. I click manage, and then it will open up the dashboard, and in Auctionsoft.com you manage an entire event with as many customers and clerking rings as you want from one single dashboard, and we will go over that in the next video. Contact us if you have any questions. Again, thank you for checking out Auctionsoft.com.